Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python for Class 11. Start by installing a simple code editor and running basic print and input programs to understand syntax and flow. Practice daily with short exercises, study indentation rules, use functions, lists, and loops, and solve small projects like a calculator or quiz to build confidence. Ask questions in class, join study groups, and review mistakes regularly. Have fun learning. We'll map the Class 11 Python topics to practical practice so you learn faster. Begin with variables, data types, and operators, then practice input, output, and string methods with short problems. Move on to control flow, loops, and functions with hands-on examples. Use lists and dictionaries for data practice, and try small projects like a grade calculator or flashcard app to reinforce concepts. Pace yourself. Stay consistent. Quick recommendation: if you like studying code and saving time, try these leak-proof meal prep containers for easy lunches between study sessions. They prevent spills, keep food fresh, and make meal prep simple so you can focus on practice. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. They fit in backpacks and free up time for coding breaks. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on hands-on practice rather than only reading. Start with guided tutorials, then rewrite examples by hand and modify them to see different outcomes. Solve coding exercises daily for 20 to 40 minutes and track progress. Use interactive platforms to test code quickly and read errors carefully. Pair programming with classmates accelerates learning, and revisiting tricky topics after a break improves retention. Celebrate small wins and keep a simple project list to stay motivated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.